everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to make a lemon bundt cake or lemon pound cake. And these are all of the ingredients. So you'll need 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2½ cups of sugar, 5 eggs, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, or you could use 1/2 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of sour cream. It just depends on which you prefer to use. And then you'll need 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 3 to 5 teaspoons of lemon zest. And you can also use a little bit of lemon extract if you don't have the lemon zest. But I'm going to get all of this mixed together and I'm going to pour it in my bundt pan. I have my oven preheating at 350.